Hey y'all, this is Joy, Everything Diamond Painting, and today, in between my unboxings, I'm going to show you a completion that I have. This painting is from HomeCraftology. It's a 40 by 40, and if you've followed me, you saw my little story about this painting from HomeCraft and all the trouble I had with it. So anyway, I've been working on this for a few weeks, and it's called Lady in Diamonds. And as I was working on it, I was kind of disappointed that there really wasn't anything diamondy about it. Even though the picture on the website looks like it's sparkling, there really wasn't any sparkle. So as I was going along, I was thinking of all kinds of stuff that I could do to kind of brighten it up. And what I finally decided was, one thing I'll point out here, as you can see, maybe there's supposed to be roses or flowers in her hair, in her hat. I don't know if you can tell that. And from this picture in the corner, I couldn't see that, and I had lost the packing slip, and so I didn't have a bigger picture. And then I finally decided, well, I'll go on the website and see what it looks like. Well, on the website, yeah, it barely shows the flowers on there. So I thought, I'm going to have to do something to kind of make them stand out. So what I did with this painting was I ordered a couple of bags of 5200 ABs and also some AB clear quads from Tina at Diamond Painting with Sparklers. And the hat was just 3865s. And even the flowers were that way. And you really couldn't see them. So what I did was I substituted the 3865s with the 5200 ABs in her hat. Basically the whole hat here. And I don't know if you can see that, the shimmer. Yeah, there you go. And the shimmer. All ABs. And I even put ABs down into here, and I added a couple around the side here. So it made it a lot, it shined it up a lot, made it distinct. And I added a few little bit of color around to distinguish the flowers, and I put those in the 3865. If I'd have been thinking about it, I probably would have done, if I realized the flowers were there, I probably would have done the hat in the 3865s and made the flowers into the ABs, but it wasn't until I was all done with the hat that I realized there were flowers there, because I was thinking, what are these things here? You know, I didn't know what those were for. Well, now I know they're the leaves or whatever coming from the roses or flowers. And then in the necklace was just regular 3865s and some other colors blended in, and it's called Lady in Diamonds. So come on, I wanted to sparkle. So with the ABs and the AB clear quad sparkles, I added it onto her necklace. Now I don't know if you can, I got the light shining, but I don't know if you could really see those things sparkle. I don't know. I'm trying to, maybe if I turn the light off a little bit more, maybe I'll try and see how that looks. And you see the sparkles in it? I'll get a close up there. There you go. Oh, yeah. Now you can see the sparkles in there and the ABs. So I outlined the whole necklace in those. See that? Beautiful. Nice sparkle. And they do capture the light, so they are kind of rainbowy. Anyway, So that's my completion. It is all squares. You can see the nice shine in it. It's the shine. As you know, rounds give a more sparkle, where squares give a nice shine. And other than that, it came out really nice. I love the red lips. So I just wanted to show this and explain everything I did to it to enhance the painting. I posted it on my Facebook group, Diamond Painting with Joy, but it's just a lot to type in there of what I did. And then I added some ABs along the sides here just to kind of sparkle it up a little bit and in here. So that's what I do. I, see what can be done, and I add things to my paintings and kind of design them myself. So that is my Lady in Diamonds, and I hope you enjoyed seeing the completion. And my next step will be to frame it. We went out to the store today, and because the picture size from drill to drill is 16 by 16, it's a square, 40 by 40 centimeters. It's hard to find a frame, so I bought black construction paper to do a matting, because of course I couldn't get the only frame size I could get was 16 by 20 inches. So I bought some black matting to put on the back, or some red. Black construction paper and red construction paper. So I'm going to kind of see which matches up better with this, because there is some red in here, as you can see. We do have some red. See that? So anyway, as you see this painting and some others that I've done and the ones that I'm going to unbox, you'll kind of get the idea of what type of paintings I tend to get drawn to. Some of them are a little different than I normally order, and I am a bling person, big bling person. I like adding sparkle and shine and everything. So that'll be it for this video. I will post pictures once I get it framed on all the Facebook groups that I'm on, that we can share our paintings, and maybe show a little. I'll put it on one of the videos that I'm unboxing and show you after it's all framed. Okay, so I'm going to try to get a picture from the website and add it to this video so you can see it like in the corner of what theirs looks like. I hope to be able to get that on there. My husband, of course, will help me with that. He is my editor and cameraman. So, he's very helpful. I don't know what I'd do without him. So anyway, I'm going to close this out and say goodbye. And it's Happy Friday. Hope you guys are going to have a great weekend. It's supposed to be nice here also. Just enjoy, and we will see you the next time around for an unboxing. Okay, bye.